All right, so today we're going to be doing bent over high rows, all right? So it's a high row because you're pulling to the level of your chest. You're working a different muscle group in this position. You can do bent over high rows, seated high rows, standing high rows. Whatever the body position is, you're working the same muscle group, okay? And that is the upper fibers of the traps, upper and mid fibers of the traps, and also the posterior deltoids and the rhomboids major and minor, which are located between the scapulae. So you're going to be working, those are the main muscles that you're going to be working here, actually doing a scapular traction, but you're also working your biceps as well because it's a pull. So all the row exercises, where it be upright row, low row, high row, all these rows are pulling type motions, which also works the biceps, all right? So indirectly, you'll be working the biceps as well, but it's primarily for the muscles of the upper back or the muscles between the scapulae. So I'm going to be using this band. It's a light resistance band, but you can also use a medium resistance or a heavy resistance band. And I'm going to be stepping on it. I'm going to step back a little bit, and my hands are down. I'm going to pull up like this. So turn sideways so you can see. I'm going to pull up like that. Okay, so that's all we're doing, so that the elbows are about 90 degrees or in line with the shoulders, about shoulder height. Okay, so you're pulling up. So you want to make sure that the back is arched. Don't curl the back, arch the back. So you drive the hips back and arch the back. Keep the chest up slightly and pull towards the chest. As you pull, you want to separate the hands. Flare the hands out a little bit, but make sure the elbows are still bent. Don't do this. Bend the elbows. So as you pull, you're pulling up. So you lead with the elbows. Allow the elbows to lead. Lead with the elbows up towards the ceiling. Lead with the elbows up towards the ceiling. So you're leaning forward a little bit. This is a bent over high row, so you lean forward at your torso. Make sure that the back is arched in this position, not curled, but arched in this position. And you also want to make sure that when you pull, the elbows lead upwards, as you can see here. All right. So again, don't pull like this. Don't pull like that either. Just pull up and allow the elbows to lead. Bent over high rows. Another variation of this is you can use an anchor, so you can anchor the band onto something, and then you can go ahead and pull. All right.